G'day folks, welcome to the show. On tonight's episode, we're going looking for gold again. And today I have a guest with me. You've heard me mention Thumbnail Matt. Well, I'm going to introduce you to Thumbnail Matt. This is the guy that does all my work for him. Say hi to the folks, Matt.
Hey everyone, how are we doing?
So we're not going to release where we're going to, but we've got a half day off today, and so we're going to use it going prospecting and have a look around a certain area in Tassie. So come with us while we check it out and see if we can't find some colour on the bottom of our pans. Let's go. This track here, I reckon, mate. Oh well, if we don't find some solid gold, we've found some liquid gold.
Yeah.
We can get some honey without getting bitten by the bees. The road's starting to turn into a track. Here we go. Looking very promising. The road's closed up where we've got to. We're going to have to hoof it by foot from here. As you can see, it starts to get a bit hairy, and we won't bash the car through and scratch the shit out of it. So we're going to walk into the river that we're heading to. But before we do, Thumbnail Matt has got a safety tip for everybody. So take it away, Matt.
Alright guys, so the key to a safe prospecting trip is make sure you've got the correct safety footwear. So for today, I've adopted the Adidas safety thong. It's going to keep my feet nice and safe. It's going to lead to a good trip.
No comment.
We need to bring the chainsaw.
Heading into the clouds. Okay, so we've had a go at the first little creek here. We found a little bit of gold. It's small and it's fine, but there's gold here, but there's another couple of creeks that we want to have a look at as we head back to the car. That was a recon trip, so we better keep travelling. We're running out of date. One thing's for certain, when you go panning for gold in Tassie, bear with me, even if you don't get any gold, you get some pretty cracking views. Check, there's an old logging bridge there. for you. Hang on. I'll back out. Come at another angle. Oh, this isn't working, this backpack. I get caught in everything. Oh, look at that. Hopefully you can see that. Big old logs thrown across the river. They built a road on it. How good's that? Absolutely beautiful. I'll head up here. Back up onto the track. Oh, there's our thumbnail Matt up there. He's dug his way out. And we'll head to Creek 2. The joys of the Tassie bush. Leeches. Check them out. And the other one. Yeah, I shouldn't be laughing. I haven't had a look on me yet. Alright, I'm not looking now. I'm bleed out. Okay, so this is creek number 2. How good is this? This is beautiful here. So we'll have a scratch around without doing any damage, and so there we go. We'll get back to you shortly. Okay, here we go. Oh man, it's fine. It's here, but it's fine. There we go.
It's showing colour.
Yeah. I got 4 bits out of my first pan, but man, they were bloody super fine.
It's got some chunks, this got some flakes in it, Paul.
Have you?
Yeah.
Oh, mine's not. Mine's fine. Okay, creek or river 2. Little bit of gold, very fine, but we're running out of day, so we're just packing up now. We'll head back to the creek near the car, give that a pan and get the hell out of here. Okay, let's go. Okay, so river 3, as you can see, that's very low flow through here. Did manage to get some very, very fine gold. There's not a bridge there. You can see up and under there. That's the road up across the top there, and the car's just up the way. So, successful. Thumbnail Matt, successful.
Yeah, it's been a good day, seeing a bit of colour, so we know where to come back to now, I think.
Yep, so we've got a couple of plans to pursue in that space, and but hey, a day in the Tasmanian bush wouldn't matter if we hadn't found any gold. Still been a good day. Thanks everybody for coming along. Hope you enjoyed that. Future Bert, and editor Bert, has cleaned out the bottle into the pan and given you a look at the colour, if it's coarse enough to get on the camera. Thanks very much for joining us. We will catch you next time. Must be time for a beer, Matt.
Beer time.
Let's go. We're out of here. Bye. Have you inhaled that? Your salad roll? Oh hell yeah. I don't reckon mine will ever get a tooth mark in it. We need to remember to eat before we go prospecting. We've got to head down, arse up, and now we're both freaking starving. But anyway, that is what it is. If I can get back to the car without falling down and breaking my neck, that'll be a blessing. Okay. Some tiny little specks of gold in there. Very minimal, but some gold.